10 powerful ways to use LinkedIn and land a dream job. Till 2016, you had to build connections on LinkedIn, try to find and contact recruiters, join professional groups, or follow the post of people who would post about jobs. There were also some leaders who regularly liked and commented on the posts of recruiters to gain their attention in a hope to get a job. Luckily, that's all history now. LinkedIn has completely changed, and in December 2016, Microsoft acquired LinkedIn by paying approximately $26 billion. Almost everyone was of the opinion that Microsoft has invested in a sinking ship like LinkedIn. Microsoft has successfully converted the so-called sinking ship into a path-breaking website, which is now posing threats to the similar platforms in the industry. Leveraging LinkedIn for a job is a skill which is both science and art, and today we are going to learn 10 simple techniques to do that. 1. Comprehensive profile. If your LinkedIn profile is all complete, users are much more likely to get contacted about job opportunities. You need to fill in the standard sections at the beginning, ensuring you also have a current position, summary, and of course, an attractive photo. Do add your skills and have at least 50 connections. Fill in your experience for job descriptions and make sure that you have a current job posted. This may sound simple, but estimated 80% profiles are not complete. Number 2, the headline. The headline, it needs to be updated. Talking about photograph again, it should be formal enough so that recruiters will identify you. Your photo, your name, and your headline, which is listed below your photo, are the only items people see when they do a search. Your headline should clearly state what you do and also what type of position you are looking for. Talent Acquisition Geek, Job Seeker Ellie, Wordsmith, JobHunt.org contributor are examples of headlines that are clear and might grab attention when compared to plain headlines like management training in a multinational company. Number 3, add, and add. Add more and more connections. If you find someone who can add quality to your network and timeline, reach out to them and add them. Connect and actively talk to them. Think of LinkedIn as an unending online party running. Networking helps and it never stops. Tip number 4, research the companies. By now you should know your dream companies and follow them. LinkedIn makes it easy to search for your target companies and follow these. If you haven't already done so, have a list of companies that you would like to work for and follow them on LinkedIn. This will help you to be aware of the company news and new positions. Number 5, endorse and get endorsed. You need to endorse people and you need to seek endorsement. Sometimes it is okay to shamelessly ask people who have worked with you in the past to endorse you, and you need to think of it as a foundation stone of your professional image. 6, recommendations. 3 to 4 recommendations are a must. Try to have a variety of people recommend you, like your boss, a direct report, or a client. Do coach the person on what you would want them to focus upon. Better yet, if they are willing to write a recommendation, offer to create a draft for them and suggest they edit it as they deem it fit. This will show them what you want them to focus on and take less of their time in the process. 7, use plenty of keywords. This is the word of keywords. Make sure these keywords are used in the correct fields. Use keywords several times throughout your profile. Fields that are keyword searchable include your headline, summary, location, job title, job description, volunteer experience, skills, activities, publication and awards, organization. Number 8, join job search groups. This needs to be handled carefully. Make sure they are hidden on your public profile. Join groups within your industry and network in the city or the cities where you would like to work. If you join job seeker groups, just be sure to turn off the option to keep groups visible on your public profile. Number 9. Find the hiring manager. Do this using LinkedIn search. If you can't find the hiring manager, find a decision maker like a head of department, director, a vice president, or a regional head. Look for a head of sales or a regional manager during sales job search. If it's a smaller company, go directly to the CEO or president. And last, don't be static on LinkedIn. Be active, be authentic, be current. Post any articles that you write, videos you post, and so on as updates. Get involved with groups and interact with others on LinkedIn. The more you interact and post, the more you will be noticed and build recognition. LinkedIn is now science. In a nutshell, be smart, not outdated. LinkedIn Jobs is safe, smart, and an easy way to apply for jobs. As of now, companies are more and more hiring through LinkedIn. Above all, it is about building relationship with people. When you have created some genuine bonds with people, there is nothing wrong with simply coming out and saying, "Hey, listen, I have been looking for a job in XYZ for quite some time now. Do you have any suggestions?" Just remember, your LinkedIn network is your career net worth.